Hey, good morning, guys. For some reason, I lost the first part of the audio of this video, but I got a new Giraffe pressure washer, and in this video, you're going to watch me install it. The audio does come back, so just hang in there, and I appreciate all the views and comments, and if you guys like this stuff, please hit the like button and subscribe. We got more coming on the Razor here really soon. I've got a lot of parts in for it, and we're getting close to start putting it back together. Thanks everybody for watching, and I appreciate every one of you. We'll go right here. Get the plug right there. It's out of the way. Well, tape isn't sticking good. Come on. Some different tape. Stay. Okay. All right, got that. Stay, tape, just for a minute. All right, gotta get a drill bit. All right, so we're gonna mark the 4 holes, drill, and then, yeah, so let's get a pilot bit. All right, drill. Whoa, come on. All right. Now we have the holes. Okay. Start with these first. All right. Now it said I needed a 15, 30 seconds drill bit. Okay. All right. There's that. Okay. Let's get a swivel. Tighten that up. All those anchors in. I mean, it's not going anywhere. Okay. All right. All right. Mount that to the wall. I don't think I got, let's go to Home Depot. See what I got here. It's pretty easy to install, guys. Yeah, I don't have that right here, but this gonna plug into here? It is. Oh man. It has to go like that. Tighten this up. I'm just we'll get some I'll get something else for that. Where that outlet's gonna work. But yeah, perfect. Now let's see here. Still gotta go to Home Depot. There's that. Sorry guys. Got the zip tie. All right, what do we got over here in this box, in this bag? Got all our nozzles. See here, we got 0, 40, let's rearrange these, 15, 25, 40. Guessing the 40 is for the soap. Okay. There's that. Soap bottle. here. Right back there. Perfect. So guys, that was super easy. Next thing I gotta do, I gotta go to Home Depot. I gotta get some PEX fittings so I can tap into the water line. I gotta get some wall clamps to tighten up that. I'll get a different plug adapter for the outlet right there. But that's gonna be super nice. Don't have to deal with gas anymore. We get home, I just turn that on, pull it out, spray it off, don't dig out the hose. It's gonna be so much better. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll bring you guys back. The video's not over. Let me go to Home Depot, get some supplies, and I'll bring you guys back, show you how to tap into the PEX and get it all hooked up. And then we'll test it out. We got plenty of stuff to spray. We can wash some more. We can spray off the razor. Yeah, so hang tight, we'll be back soon.